actually map. Okay, so we're just going to talk about map. That what is map? So it is an array method where it takes three parameters. Okay, so the first parameter is, let's say, items, or we can say users. So this will actually loop the whole array. And the second one is actually for the data. Sorry, the first one is for the whole data, like the objects. Let's say this is object 1, this is object 2, this is object 3. So this will actually loop the whole objects inside the array. The second one is for the index inside array. And the third one is for the whole array. Okay, so the whole array, it will loop, it will actually give us the whole array, this whole array. Okay, so once again, the first parameter of map takes the objects. It will loop over the all objects where we can get only their IDs, names, and emails, whatever these are inside it. Okay, the second one is for the index. Let's say this is index 0, this is index 1, and this is index 2, the objects. Okay, so we're talking about their objects. And the last one, which is about arrays, so it gives us the whole array. So let's get into it and see in the practical. So let's talk about the first user. So I'm just gonna go in console log it. So let's say console log this user, and I'm just gonna see that here these are the objects of the arrays. This is object 1, this is 2, and this is 3rd. Okay, so now let's just check the second one, which is the index, what it gives us. So it gives us the index of the objects, like 0, 1, 2. Okay, so this is index 1, 0, this is index 2, and this is index 3. Now let's talk about the fourth one, which is an array. So it will give us the whole array. This is the array, this one. Okay, so it gives us the whole array. Now let's come back to the first one, where we are using the first one mostly. Okay, okay, so these are not important. You will write it just user or index. You can write it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna call it only let's say IT. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it IT. So this is like an item, consider it's an item. So now let's stick their names only. Okay, so I want to tick the names of it. So the first one is the it.name. So now it will console log the names only. If you want their IDs, so you can get their IDs only. And here it is. Even you can take the email. So that's it. So that's it for array. Let's revise it. Array takes 3 parameters. Item, where we have the whole objects. Second one is the index, which gives the index of array, and the last one, which gives the whole array. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope so you'll like it. If you like it, so please like and subscribe it.